Lula was excited for her school's Environment Day festival. As president of the Eco Club, she had organized activities and games to highlight the importance of environmental conservation. However, Lula was worried that her classmates might not fully appreciate how their action impacted the planet. She hoped this day would inspire them to be more environmentally friendly. International Environmental Education Day began in 1975 to promote environmental awareness and sustainability. It is aimed at empowering individuals to become active participants in environmental decision making. Environmental education teaches people how natural environments function and how our daily lifestyle choices can either positively or negatively affect the planet. When the festival began, Lula was delighted to see students enthusiastically taking part in all the activities. Her friends were teaching others how to recycle waste into useful products. Many were pledging to adopt eco-friendly habits like using reusable bags and turning off taps when not in use. At the Eco Quiz, Lula noticed Tang, the school's star football player, eagerly answered questions on topics like renewable energy and wildlife conservation. "I never realized how cool this environment stuff is," Tang exclaimed. His enthusiasm made Lula smile. Environmental education had the power to open minds and bring about real change. The festival culminated in the planting of a small forest in the school compound. As students took turns digging and planting saplings, Lula saw a profound sense of connection with nature on their faces. She knew in that moment that her mission was accomplished. By nurturing children's curiosity for the natural world around them, environmental education cultivates a spirit of stewardship for the planet. On January 26, schools, organizations, and communities around the globe mark International Environmental Education Day to raise ecological literacy through various events and campaigns. Their goal is to motivate collective environmental action by highlighting how the earth sustains all life. At the end of the festival, Tang high-fived Lula. "Thanks for organizing this, Lula. I'm going to do my part to make sure our new forest grows bigger and strong." His words filled Lula with hope that her generation would make the environment a priority and work to build a sustainable future for the planet. Environmental education had the power to open both hearts and minds. January 26 is International Environmental Education Day. Here is our painting with all your posters for this special day, and have a wonderful International Environmental Education Day. Cheers!